So I'm gonna go over a message or a comment from my guy McShiggler. He's been following me since like day one basically. I've been in YouTube for like a dime now or whatever. So I'm just now getting back in the pace of things. So getting my rhythm back. He left a comment and he stated that facts, you tackle any damn job. That's crazy. I ain't got that confidence to do certain jobs. So for me, now, how can I say this? Like, to have that mentality, it's not like simple. All right, y'all, I'm working on this 2011, excuse like the tone and the lighting or whatever. It's hot, it's shiny. I didn't feel like adjusting the camera. I just put it in the base settings, quick join, that's it. This is a 11 Silverado, 3/4 ton. What I'm doing right now is I'm gonna be doing this upper control arm, sway links, and we're gonna get this hydro booster in here, and we're gonna stop this leak. And it's leaking like ugly leak. You can see where it's leaking at, like at the base, the crevice, whatever. It must be a seal coming out the flange or whatever. It is what it is. This is not going to be a how-to video. This is going to be more so video of me helping. Let me turn around so you guys can see me. Want to build up confidence or whatever. McShiznit, man, we go back like probably 9 years or something like that, if I can remember exactly. Let's round to like 10 years, me being on like YouTube or whatever. Now, y'all know me, y'all watch me grow basically. If you go through all my old videos, I pretty much put like, my apologies, I lost like battery life or whatever. I had to rush these gloves off and I'm not happy, so now I got the inside of the glove dirty. Probably gonna have to, it is what it is. What I was saying basically, you guys pretty much watch me grow on my YouTube, and everything I did, I put my all into it. I'm editing these videos, I'm showing you these things, but you guys don't see things in details, exactly what I do or whatever, how I feel when I'm doing these jobs, when the job is hard, how am I getting around it, how am I executing it, if I'm alone, how am I doing this. Overall, you want a little tips, and at least I can do this is build confidence up, man. That way you can tackle these jobs and be like me, man. Just put your mind into it, create a mission, and execute. So let's take it to the garage. I'm so glad I soaked this up with PB Blaster. I saturated it, I done marinated it like it was jerk chicken or something. So I didn't need to get any new bolts. I remember I did a few older these, and I always had to cut these out. I'm so glad I soaked them the way I did. Get this out, and you want to know why I replaced this. Before I proceed to the video, this bushing is shot. You can see it's like real torn, and I had to jack the car up and check the ball joints. That's how I was able to discover this. Don't worry about the brake hose. There is slack on it because I got something on a pivot at the bottom. So let's get this out, and then a ball joint got play in it as well too. Hope the camera view was good for y'all. Maybe dark. I honestly don't care. I'm on my phone. I left my other camera, and the lighting is probably ass in here. Confidence, working on cars, like, is all how you make your approach. So you make your approach like you soft, you're gonna get soft results. And I'm not saying I'm arrogant, I'm cocky. I always been like that, but at the end of the day, I could back it up. So it's just only tough jobs can show me up. Or at least kick my ass in that manner. That's what I wanted to say, mixed up my words, but it's a mission. I treat it like it's a mission, a serious mission, and I get it done. How I go about getting it done is always a plan of attack. When you writing an essay out, or let's say when you trying to holler at a female, your first introduction, usually you try to give it your best, right? Why? You optimistic. You think you can get the girl's number, right? In that sense, if we comparing things or whatever, if I'm being confident in a car, like I can get it done in the same manner a guy can go holler at it like a female. Y'all do that. I'm on my mission. I'm getting this money. I'm Blue Henry. I'm leveling up. I ain't out here racking up, not doing none of that or whatever. If somebody get my attention or whatever, yeah, but I'm not like purposely doing nothing. That's just how it is. I'm keeping it moving. So if you notice me, you know you don't. It is what it is. But y'all out there, if y'all hollering at chicks, y'all doing that, y'all making you confident, yeah, I can get this. I'm going to take her out on a date. We going X, Y, and Z. I'm going to go I'm clapping cheeks. So whatever your mission is with the female, and mission complete, Okay, use that same goddamn concept when you're working on a goddamn car. And what do you mean by that? Why you compare? It's a goddamn comparison. That's exactly what I made. Just like sometimes I gotta convince people about changing the oil. Going off topic, I'm rambling, changing the oil. I always say to them, when you cooking chicken and that chicken coming out dark, why is it that? Because the grease is cooked. The chicken is nasty. You wouldn't put new grease in it, right? So treat it the same. Treat your engine the goddamn same. And I always got to make some ABC goddamn analogy from somebody to get me. Do you understand me? Do you feel me? Now, another thing, what having confidence is to, show some intelligence. Show that you did your DD. When I did DD, I'm talking about due diligence. Learn. Do your research. Don't go into something just because you saw a YouTube video. Don't let a YouTube video gas you up. I'm going to say it again. Don't let a YouTube video gas you up. You a grown-ass man. Don't let another grown-ass man gas you. Let a grown man influence you, but don't let him gas you up into doing things that's just super hard or whatever. I'm going to take a phone call, and I'll get back to y'all in a couple minutes. Figure the confidence shit out on your own. Sorry, a piece of candy in my mouth again. Figure it out. Figure this shit out. It's no need to complicate it. Yes, things are complicated, but each day is important. So, if it's something so difficult that you know you having a hard time trying to overcome, right? Don't you think it's something you should focus on? You get where I'm going with this. It's a 1+1 situation. So if you know you need to do it, get it done. Get your ass up. Get it done. Figure it out. Do your DD. Set a goal. Do your DD. Set another goal. Make plays. Whatever, how order, I don't know. Get it done. I'm Leekautorepair. Y'all got car questions. You need advice, help, tips, tricks, yada, yada, yada. Whatever. Comment section. You want to do business, whatever type of way. This will be wasting my time or whatever. Leekautorepair@gmail.com. Whatever. I'll holler at y'all.